Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the top 5 best singers in the world. Songs and singers have been now since ancient time in introducing love and romance. Where we see the element of entertainment and reaction, we cannot forget to introduce the element of songs to boost up the enjoyment and enthusiasm. In terms of songs, both male and female singers are remembered, but pleasing voice authored by best male singer has immense impact on the mental counseling and emotional intensification. We have often encountered many public places where songs are being played to create a jolly entertainment. Singers have set out a number of their loved ones throughout the world, regardless of the language in which they sing songs. People love listening to their voice in pleasure. Here are the top 5 best singers in the world. Number 5. Usher. Whether the list formulate or decomposed, the name of Usher can never be deleted from the nominated list. He is better now to be the king of pop music in America. Usher won the award title R&B artist in 2011. His voice has distinctiveness and ubiquitous in nature and existence among all popular male singers. With more than 43 million fans on Facebook, Usher is the most popular male singer of 2021. Number 4. Pitbull. Armando Christian Perez is the real name of an outstanding singer to whom people call Pitbull. He has developed the song in many different ways by blending the musical instruments and thus build up his shining career. His song title Rain Over Me and Give Me Everything are still part of clubs and disco dance places to further the people ecstasy. Number 3. Chris Brown. Christopher Brown is professionally called as Chris in the world of entertainment. He is an American songwriter and composer. He started his singing career during his childhood and predicted himself to be a talented singer in the upcoming year. His recently released album Fame and Fortune that has made a pronounced value, yet the later one scored the top position of Billboard 2000. His famous song include With You Forever and She Isn't You characterize the lovingness of his voice. Number 2. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber is the youngest and decent singer ever in the top most ranked singer list for 2021. He is a Canadian singer born in 1994 and manifested his singing talent in 2008 before the public from where he got boost in the popularity and now he is among best selling singer. Number 1. Drake. Aubrey Drake Graham has taken third position in the present list of top most popular male singers. He is spread among the map with his nickname Drake and he has released countless wild albums. He is a Canadian singer, artist and songwriter, which means he is a man of art. Drake has been nominated 3 times for BET and Juno Award. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.